starting a brand new YouTube channel in 2026 from 0 subscribers. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going back to the beginning, even though my other channel is already monetized. In this channel, I'm going to share with you my journey, real numbers, and anything I have learned along the way so you don't have to struggle alone. If you're a small creator like me or you're starting from scratch, this channel is literally for you. Because I know what it feels like to create videos and pray and hope for it to do well. You go into your YouTube studio and refresh 100 times, hoping that the algorithm will smile back at you. And when the results seem very slow, you ask yourself, is this truly working? Is this truly worth it? Why am I even still doing this? Some days you feel like just giving up and stopping what you create because of all of these challenges. So even though my other channel is monetized, I quickly realized something. I wanted a space dedicated only to YouTube growth, analytics, strategy, tips, and encouragement. A safe space, especially for small YouTube creators. In this video, I'll share with you where I started from scratch again, who this channel is built to serve, the purpose and the mission behind this channel, how I plan to grow from 0, and what you can learn so you can grow too. On the other monetized channel, I talk about faith, worship, lifestyle, creativity, and wellness. And by God's grace, that channel is monetized in just 6 months. I've had a few questions from my audience in my other monetized channel. Questions like, how do I grow? What should I post? Why am I negative views? What actually leads to monetization? How can I get monetized? How do I grow my 4,000 watch hours in 365 days? And honestly, I love talking about this stuff because I have been there. So instead of keeping all the lessons inside my head and experiences to myself, I decided to build a home for creators. This is a place where we learn together, a place where you don't feel invincible, a place where we grow together, a place where growth is actually possible, no gatekeeping. And yes, I'm starting from 0 here. No shortcuts, just strategy, honest data, where I share with you my observation, my experience with a whole lot of encouragement. So what is Debby James Creator Lab all about? If you may ask, this channel has been created to teach you YouTube content creation in a simple, calm, and friendly way. Things with uploading on YouTube, understanding data in a dashboard, understanding the features that you have in your YouTube studio, how to read your analytics, your keywords, descriptions, how to create thumbnails, how to fix your thumbnails, how to check for watch time, how to check when your audience is online, how to check for your audience watch time, their availability, understanding all aspects of your YouTube journey without getting overwhelmed. Here, I will share with you your strategies that really work. Demystified watch hours, RPM, CPM, and the whole thing. Here, I will encourage creators such as you and I, who at some point in their journey might feel invincible or discouraged. And most of all, document my journey from building this channel from 0 subscribers. So who is this channel for? This channel is for small creators, beginners starting from 0, people that are scared or shy to post, creators who want to understand analytics in their YouTube studio, creators that are not yet tech savvy, that want to learn 1 or 2 things around tech, equipment, editing, content creation, post tags, description, niching, DO optimization, as well as those chasing monetization. People who want growth, people with purpose. And I promise I'll always keep it simple, honest. And if something doesn't work, I will share with you. And if something does work, I will tell you why. In my monetized channel, I'll see firsthand videos that have exploded, videos that flopped, seasons of slow growth, and moments where God surprises you. I've learned that it's not about perfection. I've learned that it's about growth, persistency, understanding how your content really works, even as you post on YouTube. In future videos, I'll share with you my analytics for my monetized channel, break down and explain the exact analytics and the lessons learned so you can apply them to your own channel. I want you to know something, that you are not small. You are just early. You are just starting. You are just beginning. So do not forsake small beginnings. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. Every big channel started where you are. From 0 views, 0 comments, 0 momentum, and 0 monetization to get to where they are now. So in life, in everything that you do, growth takes patience, wisdom, strategy, and a willing heart. By the grace of God, I am here to walk that journey with you as I share my own experience with you and how I got monetized on my other channel. So if you've ever felt like quitting, please stay with me. Don't quit. Watch my videos and implement whatever I share with you in these videos in your content creation. Let's grow slowly, smartly, together, and purposefully. So if you want all that I've mentioned in this video, please hit that subscribe button to get more notification whenever I post a video. Turn on notification because every week I will be posting a video. Please in the comments tell me, are you starting from 0 or you're still growing? I'd love to hear from you. Welcome to Debby James Creator Lab. Let's build something beautiful together. Thank you for watching.